मैंने सुना था कि अंग्रेजी केवल शहर के लोग बोलते हैं, लेकिन मैं भूल नहीं सकता नीरज को। कि मैंने सुना था कि अंग्रेजी केवल अमीर लोग बोलते हैं, लेकिन मैं भूल नहीं सकता नीरज को। कि मैंने सुना था कि अंग्रेजी केवल वेल क्वालिफाइड लोग बोलते हैं, लेकिन मैं भूल नहीं सकता नीरज को। सो गुड मॉर्निंग लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, हाउ आर यू डूइंग फ्रेंड्स? Today I am here to deliver some of my words on the very crucial topic of all time. Friends, first of all, I would like to tell you that what is the important of this thing. Friends, suppose you want to qualify any kind of interview, you need this thing. Friends, if you want to qualify any kind of competitive exam, you need this thing. Even if you want to start your business at, you want to expand it at international level, you need this thing. Friends, even if you want to be pilot, if you want to be air hostess, if you want to do job at international level, you need this thing. Friends, additionally, if you want to make better use of internet, you need this thing. Yes, I am talking about English language, friends. I am talking about English language. Friends, first of all, please think that it is not a just language, friends. It is the most demanded and most requirement skills in today's time. Yes, it is very important. Friends, you know, English as a global language would be accepted, and so many people who know this language, yes, who know this language, friends, because English as a global language, it has become a successful as a global language, friends. And second thing is that friends, it is easier language. Yes, it is easier to learn than any other language, friends, because it has only 26 letters, and friends, which letters are used to make words and to make sentences. Friends, many words of English language, friends, have been adopted by so many languages, and many words of English language have been, friends, borrowed from any other languages. Friends, English is the most important and demanded things. So friends, this is very important. Now friends, but English, the knowledge of English, friends, makes travel easier, because if you know English, if you want to travel, you can travel easier if you know English. Otherwise, if you do not know English, friends, you need to hire expensive translators if you don't know English, friends. But if you know English, you do not need to hire expensive translators if you know English. So this is the advantage of English language, friends. Friends, the knowledge of English is very important thing, friends. Suppose you have a meeting at international level, friends. If you have the knowledge of English language, if you know English, friends, you can attend that meeting confidently, friends, because there is more possibility that that meeting could be done in English. There is more possibility, friends. So this is very important, friends. Some people say that it is the language of international jobs, international business. It is language, friends. If you know English, you can make better use of internet if you know English, because there are so many websites are written in English, because Google systems, internet systems is in English, because you can't search any deep thing if you do not know English, friends. You can't. This is very important. So friends, these all, friends, advantages of English language. But friends, English as a global language, friends, it is accepted so many people, and it is already spoken around 86 countries all over the world, all over the India, friends, because there are so many languages have put forth their interest, but none of language has become a global successful language, but English only has become a successful language. So this is very important. But friends, English is used in every fields of our life. Friends, you can say politics, academics, economics, and education. In so many fields, English is used. Friends, without English, you can't survive in this society. Friends, this is very important. Now, friends, English as a global language would not be accepted in friends whose people who want their language to be global language, like you can say Chinese people want to their language to be global language, and second is Esperanto is another language whose supporter also want their language to be global language. But I already told you that none of language has become a successful language, only English has become a successful global language. So this is very important. So friends, this is advantages of English language. But friends, there are so many people sitting here and they think that, sir, you are promoting other countries' language and you should not promote other countries' language. You should promote your Hindi language. You should promote your mother tongue. Why are you promoting, friends? First of all, please change your mindset, because it is not a just language, friends. It is not a just language. It is the most demanded language in today's time. It is more requirement skills in today's time, friends. I have already told you that if you want to appear state services, central services, if you want to qualify any kind of interview, you need this language. So this is very important. Please understand this, friends. You are saying that you should promote your Hindi language, you should promote your English, your mother tongue, but our Hindi language is not very useful in today's time, friends. It is not very useful in today's time, friends. But you can say that 40 years back, 30 years back, English did not have importance, but now at this moment, it is 2026, English is most important language. But friends, in our professional life we need English, but in our personal life we need Hindi. It is not mean that I am saying that you should forget your language. I am not saying that you should forget your language, you should forget your mother tongue. I am not saying. I am saying only, friends, the most important language in our life is our mother tongue. So please don't forget, but don't speak English at your house. Don't speak, but friends, outside the house, with your friends, with your colleagues, please speak in English. Friends, even make some mistakes in English. Please don't worry. Please make 100 mistakes, make thousands mistakes, but please make some mistakes. Friends, please try to speak in English language. Friends, why we are not able to speak? Because we have no practice. Can you begin the practice today? Friends, this is very important. Now friends, many people want to learn this language, but they are not able to learn this language. Friends, why this reason? Friends, I want to ask a question. Friends, all of you want to be successful? You will say, yeah, yes sir. Why are you asking this? It is we all of us maximum want successful, but you know that real success will come when you change your mindset. Yes, the real success will come when you change your mindset. Friends, friends, you also know that you want to learn English, but friends, you don't want to learn English from your heart, because friends, already know that my English is good. Friends, my English is good. Friends, do you like my English is good? Friends, do you want your English to be like mine? You will say, yes sir, we want to our English to be like you. But do you remember one thing, that who learned English with a lot of difficulty? School does not matter, Hindi medium or government school does not matters. What matters is motivation. Friends, do you have motivation for 6 months for learning English? You will say, oh sir, you are impacting you now, we are going to home happily, we don't need to learn English. But after 5 years, after 10 years, you will feel guilty. Friends, this is very important. This is very important. Many things we learned by impact. Friends, impact is very important. Friends, many people, and we also learn English from YouTube channel. We learn vocabulary from YouTube channel. We learn grammatical rules from YouTube channel. But that we do not have any burning desire. We do not have motivation. Friends, if you do not have burning desire, if you do not have motivation, you can't learn anything. You can't learn anything. So this is very important. Friends, motivation plays very significant role in a learning a journey. Friends, so this is very important. Friends, but there are so many people, there are so many students say, sir, we can't learn English because we are Hindi medium student, they can say. But remember one thing, friends, I am sure that there is nobody in the class that who did not write an English exam in the 10th class. There is nobody in the class, but because English is there in 10th class, English is there in 12th class plus 2, English is there in first class, English is there in graduation. Friends, how can you be Hindi medium still? How can you be? Friends, out of 10 years of Hindi, you are learning one language, that is also English. So this is very important. You can't say you are not able to learn, friends, because out of 10 years you are learning one language, that is English. But it is not matter, because matter is motivation. So this is very important. Friends, so these all, friends, this is introduction of English language. This is importance of English language. Now I am going to tell you that how will you learn English. Friends, yes, I am going to tell you that how will you learn English. Friends, if you want to learn English, please follow my rules. First of all, please understand, friends, what are the things in an English language. There are 4 things in a language. Friends, first is reading, writing, listening and speaking. These 4 things are very important. These are called pillars of language. If you know these 4 things, it means you know language, because you are able to write, you are able to speak in fluent manner, you are able to understand at once. So this is very important. Now friends, first of all, friends, we will discuss about every aspect of language one by one. Friends, first of all, reading. Reading is the first pillar of English language. Friends, are you reading English all your life? You will say, yes sir, we read English. We read English every day, because we read English newspaper, English magazines, English, friends, books, English stories, English novels, and we read so many things. But friends, this is very important things that I hope you never try to read English for, you always read English for meanings. You always try to read English only for meaning, but meaning is not important for improvement. Friends, what is important is for improvement. Friends, if you read any passage, any book, any times, anywhere, you have to read it again and again. Why? You have to read it repeatedly. Why? You will say, sir, why is repeating so many times? Because friends, first time only for meaning, but second, third, fourth, fifth times only for language. So friends, this is very important. If one times it becomes a part of your memory, you can use it anytime, with anybody, with anywhere you can use it, because it is the part of your memory. This is very important. Now friends, reading, I am not suggesting you that you should read 20 pages, 10 pages in a day. I am not suggesting you. I am only saying one thing now, that if you read any book, please read 1 page or 2 pages in a day, but you have to read it repeatedly, again and again, till it becomes a part of your memory. After that you can use it in your conversation. So this is very important. Now friends, this is 3 points I gave you for friends reading. Now friends, we want to talk about another aspect of English language. This is writing. Friends, writing is also very important pillar of language, because you are not able to write, it means you are not learning, you don't know English language completely. This is very important friends. If you want to appear state services exams, central services exams, if friends, that on that place you have to write an essay on one topic. Friends, if you know writing, it means you are able to write on essay and you can qualify that exam. So this is very important friends. First of all, that how will you start of your writing journey in English? How will you start? Friends, first is this friends, if you want to write your start journey, friends, you are writing English since your first class, you are writing friends, but you don't know how to write effectively, how to write on essay, you don't know. But friends, if you want to write friends in a day, please select one topic, and like you have select like education. Friends, first of all, please think about education only in a day 10 lines. Friends, in a day only 10 lines, that you can think that what is education and what does education and what are the benefits of education and why we get education. You can think like these things friends, and then next day please select same topic like education friends, and think about education again, that 20 lines or 30 lines. But in this process you have to think that friends, first of all, meaning of education, and you can think that and advantages of education, and then you can think friends, what is the opportunity of education friends, and last you can think that friends, how you can get a good education in your life. So this is very important. You can think friends, after 1 month, after 1 week, you will see that you are reducing Hindi content, English is becoming more and more, you can see. So this is practice friends, this comes only by practice. If you practice daily, you can do anything friends. This is very important. Second condition is this friends, suppose you get very angry with your friends, you want to fight with them friends, but in my humble request, please don't fight with them, please don't fight with them friends. Please come back your house and enter your study room, and friends, put your friends, please friends, keep your pen, keep your notebook, and start writing. Why do you hate with them? Please think about them. And friends, if you think about them, please write 20 sentences, 30 sentences. After writing all these sentences, you will see that friends, you will feel happy, you will feel relaxed after writing these sentences, because it is called communication skills, this written communication skills, because we have maximum fluency in written communication, because we are able to think and we are able to write. So this is the skills friends, this is very important. Now friends, these 2 points I gave you for your writing. If you want to improve, you can do like this. If you want to improve, so this is very important. Now friends, third is friends listening. Yes, listening is very important for learning a journey. Friends, if you listen, because you are friends get ideas in your language. You are getting a language, you are getting friends listening. First of all, listening will give you friends vocabulary. Listening will give you correctness. Listening will give you friends pronunciation. So this is very important friends. I am not friends. First of all, if you are starting your listening journey, friends, please start with cartoons, with stories, kids cartoon, kids story, because these are very easy friends. These are very easy because simple English used in them friends. You can, because you are able to understand this language. So this is very important. Don't listen friends advanced movie, don't listen advanced postcard. Listen only friends, listen only stories, only listen stories and kids cartoon friends. So this is very important friends. Now second condition is this friends. Suppose if you go to friends Ramakrishna Math, you will get some CDs. You can buy one CDs 20 rupees or 40 rupees. You can buy one CDs 20 rupees or 40 rupees. That is enough for 6 months friends. Please listen that CDs only 5 minutes friends. That is enough for 6 months. But in a day you have to listen it only 5 minutes. But you have to listen it at least 10 times or 20 times. This is very important. So friends, these all aspect of listening you can indulge in your journey. So this is very important friends. These all points about listening you can use it. Now friends, fourth is speaking friends. Speaking. Many people know grammar, many people know structure, many people know vocabulary, many people know everything, but they are not able to speak one word. They are not able to speak fluently friends. What is the reason friends? What is the case? Why is this friends? Because they are waiting for perfectness friends. Perfectness will not come, never come, because perfectness does not think friends. It is nothing friends. If you are waiting perfectness, this is very bad thing for you friends. You will never speak in English if you are waiting perfectness, because friends, speaking only comes by speaking. Yes, speaking only comes by speaking friends. Please start only friends. If you do not know good English, please speak wrong English friends. It is not matter that you are speaking wrong English. It is not matter. It is matter that you are speaking English language friends. It is matter friends. 4 words English, 1 word Hindi, accept it. Please speak friends. There are so many people and they are dependent on their teachers. They are supporters. Please don't depend on anybody, because there is nobody in the world who can improve your English. There is nobody in the world friends. There is only one person who can help you friends. You can help you in this process. Nobody will help you friends. So please understand it. So friends, nobody help you friends. But main question arises here that how will you practice of speaking? This is very important. How will you practice friends? I have already told you that if you have friends, good practice with friend. If you have friend, practice with them. If you do not have friends, have you seen that people playing chess with themselves? They put black coin, then they go there, then they put white coin, again they come here friends. you can practice English like this. You can practice. So this is very important. You know, your real friend might run away because he he says that I do not want to listen to English, I do not want to learn English. He might run away, but you have your you have a better friend, your mobile phone, than your real friend. Because friends, your mobile phone does not run away. Friends, you have your mobile phone. Please use it and learn. So this is very important. Friends, please, you know, please record yourself and see yourself, listen yourself and see what are the mistakes in your voice, what are the mistakes in your body language. Please see. Friends, you know, if you feel shy, if you feel bad, others are listening, you feel bad, friends, so please practice with yourself. Please talk to yourself. Friends, this is very important. Friends, you know, what did Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita? Have you read Bhagavad Gita? You will say, yes sir, we have read Bhagavad Gita. You know, what did Krishna says? Friends, you know, Krishna says that whatever you do, but you must do it efficiently. Friends, impact, it is going to make your life, impact is going to make you successful. Friends, this he says. So this is very important. Friends, this is very important for learning. Friends, you know, all world, you know, these all are the skills. You know, this is the Indians ability. Indians, friends, are you Indians or not? You will say, yes sir, we all are Indian. Why are you asking this? Friends, you know, you will say, sir, we can sing a Jangal Mangal. Friends, it is not enough for being Indian. Friends, please show the quality of being Indian. Friends, please show the quality of being Indian. Friends, you know, Indians have capability to learn 5 to 6 languages. Friends, this is Indian capabilities. You know, whole world tells us that Indians are very intelligent. But you know, remember one thing, that whole world also tells one thing, that Indians are very intelligent. But you know, we know everything, but we don't practice anything. This is very important. Friends, you know, if I say please speak in your mother tongue, you can speak fluently, you can speak very well. But if I say speak in English, friends, you will not speak English, because there is silent. Friends, so this is very important. You know, mother tongue everybody knows very well, because you know, French speak better French and Chinese speak better Chinese. You know, friends, Japanese speak better Japanese. But you know, India, at least we speak English language. You know, China did not know English, France did not know English. Friends, you know, Chinese people, you know, Indians teachers are teaching Chinese student. China did not know English. Friends, English teachers from India are teaching Chinese student. So this is very important. Friends, please learn it. Please learn it. So this is very important. Friends, there is only solution one, is that you have to practice. You have to practice daily. Friends, suppose you have motivation for 6 months, for 1 year. If you want to learn English, you will say, no sir, you are impacting you. We do not have motivation. We are going to happily go home. Friends, please practice with hard work. Friends, if you do not practice one day, please don't sleep on that day. Please don't eat on that day. Please don't do anything on that day. So this is the practice you have to do daily. Friends, this is very important. Friends, I can't say please go to the medical shop and buy 10 tablets, one evening, one morning. After 10 days, good English. Friends, but you know, there is no such tablet in the market. Friends, there is only one tablet in the market, that is work hard. Friends, I hope you willing to work hard. Friends, there is no shortcut of learning language, friend. There is no shortcut. You have to do, you have to pay, friends, for this is very important. So learn English, this is very important, friends. I am also new English learners and I am learning English. Why? Hard working. So this is very important, friends. Speaking comes only by speaking. This is very important. Please understand. Main reason is that, friends, first of all, Buddha said that, friends, first of all, please, if you want to, friends, solve your problem, first of all, your problem, friends. Most of the people, they don't know their problem, they want to solve their problem. First of all, you have to know that what is your problem. This is very important, friends. Speaking comes only by speaking. This is very important. You speak, you can improve your speaking, friends. But unless you practice, you cannot improve your English. You have to practice daily, friends. This is very important. So, friends, these all my thoughts about speaking, friends. These all my thoughts, views about speaking, friends. Friends, please, I hope you are new English learners, friends. Watch this video till the end, friends. First of all, thank you for clicking this video. Thank you for visiting my channel, friends. Please do in comment how did you like this video, friends. We will meet in the next video. Thank you for giving me your precious time. You are so amazing listener. You have to listen to me patiently, friends. Thank you, friends.